Power BI. Power BI is an interactive data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. So in this deal, we are going to discuss about the DAX, which is one of the concepts in Power BI. DAX is nothing but data analysis expressions to solve many basic calculations and data analysis problems. It is a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in a formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. DAX formulas will help you to get the most out of your data. 250 functions are available in the DAX formulas. So among those 250 functions, we are going to use one of them, that is time intelligent functions. These functions help you create calculations that use built-in knowledge about calendars and dates. Let's take for example a Power BI Power Query table. So here, this is the orders table. Here I'm going to add a new column. Let us name it as weekdays. As we see, there is an inbuilt function as weekday, and let's place the column named orders, order date. With this, we can find the weekdays. Like we can see the date, and we can find which day is the date. Like it is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's based on the numbers. So that's how we found weekdays. Let's take another example as whether it's a working day or a weekend. So we are using the function, same weekday function as well. So here we are finding whether it's a working day or a weekend. As you can see, a column named working or weekend, we can find which days are weekend and which days are working. With this, we can figure out how many working days have taken place and how many weekends are there in this order dates. So this is how Power BI DAX expressions work. There are many more functions in Power BI DAX. Actually, there are 250 functions used in the DAX. So this is what Power BI DAX is. Thank you.